Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to change the theme for your Google form. So you've got your form, and when you first create it, it's got a pretty basic default theme, but you do have some control over what the form will look like. If you go up to the top and look for the artist's palette, hover over it, it will say Customize Theme. Click on that, and you get options for determining the text style for both the header, the question, and text. If we click on that, we'll see a wide variety of fonts to choose from, and if we don't like those, we can always click on More Fonts. Determine the text size, choose the header image. So if we click on Choose Image, we'll get some pretty typical image selection tools for Google Forms. They have a bunch pre-loaded that you can choose from, or you can upload your own, or pick one from your online photo storage. And you can also pick sort of the color theme for the form. Like right now this is on purple, but let's say I change it to green. Now I have a light green background, a giant green stripe. I can change the background to some other shade, maybe make it a little bit darker. All right, so if I do this and close that out, and then if I preview it, right, I see all those different theme elements for my form. And so that will change the way this form appears to users, and maybe it fits better with a different color for a theme that you're using for like homecoming or something like that. But that is how you can change the theme for your Google Forms.